new package. I just started opening it and I thought, you know, I better actually show you what's inside before I actually take it out. So, paperwork. You know what? Whoa, that looks bright. Does that look impressive or what? Look at that. It's very, very grey to me, but very, very, very shiny, very silver. Mountain Warehouse Adrenaline Jacket. It's a cycling jacket. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. I like this. I've seen someone wearing this and it changes colour when people, you know, walks like a chameleon. It's got a pocket in the back. It's a cycling jacket, so it's long in the back so that when you're riding along, you don't show everyone your backside. It's mesh inside, a pocket there. I know they do less pockets for more waterproofness, but this pocket's there. Does that look like that? Overlaps tape seam. Not bad. It's pretty good. I quite like the reflectiveness. I'm loving the reflectiveness. Now I think the only thing to do is really to test it out. And today looks like it could be that day. It's a bit ugh out there at the moment. Howdy everybody and welcome to July. It's a bit wet. Hold on. Shouldn't have done that. There's a dog. And there's me. I've got a new coat and I thought I need to test this out in the rain. So welcome to the rain. So I've got a GoPro on a selfie stick. I have a dog that is absolutely soaked through. And I'm hoping it's waterproof enough that it will last this, because otherwise it's not a good thing. And we're seeing how it stands up to rain and wind, occasional thunder. I'm probably holding a metal pole in front of me. I'll probably get electrocuted. Make for an interesting video. So if anyone finds this and I have been hit by lightning, please put the video up. Probably be the most views I get. Man gets hit by lightning while recording a YouTube video. There's ominously a lightning strike at that very moment. That is a big puddle. I am so wet I don't even care anymore. Come on. Puddle. Look. That's how wet I am. I don't even care. With a hyperactive nutcase of a dog. She has been driving me mad all day, running around because the lightning going off, she thought it was fireworks. And you've never seen someone love fireworks as much as this dog. I was opening the back door and showing her that it wasn't actually fireworks. And now we're walking home because we're both absolutely drenched. Okay, oh my god, I am still soaking wet. So, is this jacket waterproof? You can see the reflections, how it reflects the light. Is it waterproof? We're about to test and find out. I'd say that's a no. That is well and truly a no on the waterproofness, because that's dry where it hasn't touched it at all. That is completely soaked through. That is a wet dog. Are you okay? I've not put her in there, she just got in there on her own. She wants to be washed down. So excuse us, mate. Stay there. Right, so in conclusion, is the Mountain Equipment North Adrenaline waterproof bike jacket waterproof? What do you think? I'd take that as an I'd say no. Would you say no? Right, I'm getting ready to go take this back to the shop because, well, basically it's rubbish. It did absolutely nothing. It's really heavy. It's not what it says it was. It's not waterproof, it's not lightweight, it's not practical. It's very, very reflective. That's the only good thing about it. But I found alternative jackets that are similar, and so I'm going to take it back. Different t-shirt. I've got two of the same. Have you had one of these? What do you think? Tell me what you think about it. Don't buy it. Got another one. Proviz. I'm literally opening it as you see it. So. Please do not remove the tags if you wish to return it. Okay. But how are you meant to know if it's waterproof if you don't remove the tags? There's no way of knowing if it's completely waterproof until you get caught in the rain. So you've got to keep the tags on for as long as possible. So it's a better fit. It fits. It's like that one just felt really big and baggy and didn't have any shape to it. There we go. Yeah, little rubber velcro-iness. Not a lot of money. It was £70. Enough. Pocket at the back. Pocket soon. Front go. I'm taking this off because there's no way I'm cycling around with this on. Save the toggle. Right, the toggle is in here. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to test it. But today actually doesn't look like it's going to get rainy, so we shall see.
8 tic-tacs later.
You wouldn't have believed it, but 2 minutes ago, well, you can see how wet I am. There's those clouds. Dog? There's a ball. So, new jacket. First test was water resistant. It's shaking off the... Oh. So far, back. I've got to go out again, get completely drenched. I'll test it.
3 hours later.
Well, I made it to the osteopath with the jacket on, and it rained. It rained a lot. You can tell it rained a lot because the trousers are soaked through. The top off seems to remain dry. So we shall see. Okay. Start from Dora. Hot. So that was another attempt at going out on the bike and seeing how this thing did. There we go. Right. So this is the Proviz jacket. Done a couple of tests on the bike and so forth, and been out again today. Went to find the Dr. Bike surgery in London's Finsbury Park. Oh my god, what a waste of space and time. It was literally one old bloke with a spanner. It took us an hour to find him. He had a top on like this with a Dr. Bike t-shirt underneath, and that was it. When we got there and he was like, what? So we gave up and went to a proper bike shop because my cool orange and black bike turns out is not set up right and is in serious need of work. Brand new bike, bought from a bike shop in Camden. Work out the name of the bike shop, and they sell cycles. Don't go there, clearly. They used to be really good, and I went there thinking they were still associated with London Cycling Club. No longer are they are just con artists. But bike is seriously in need of good service and work and fitting them over. Apparently the wheels are offset, the gears are not aligned, the brakes are not set. Me being annoyed. But I've had this on all day, and so I cycled around. Realised that the vent is just basically a hole in the back of the jacket. It's not bad. Maybe it's because the mountain equipment has nothing to do with mountain warehouse. The mountain warehouse jacket was big, so I guess it was more airy. This fits better, is a good fit and works well on the bike, but it's meant that my back is hot and wet. My back gets wet when I get hot, so that's my prone area, so it's one of the good tests. Unfortunately this t-shirt has got wet, so I'm about to change the t-shirt. Talking t-shirt, anyone spotted it? Anyone know where that's from? I made this because it doesn't exist on Last Exit to Nowhere, but it's a reference to a shop in a film. What film? Kravnik's Discount Sporting Goods. It's from what film? The Proviz 360, I think it is, bike jacket is a success. I'm going to keep this, it's good. Side note, just going to take this off and I've just realised the problem I was having is that the sleeves are getting hot, really like clinging to my skin, and I'm like, while I was out I was thinking what possibly needs to happen is there's like a vent, or the pocket needs to be made of mesh so that when you can unzip it so that the inside would be like this mesh. And I went to take my jacket off and I've only just noticed something. There's a zip there. It's a really odd place to have a zip. It's not, because that becomes a vent. So all it's doing is just opening inside the meshes there. My hand. There's one on that side too. Find the zip. Do that. I'm quite impressed. That makes it. The problem I was having was I was getting really hot because this material is not breathable. That solves the problem. One more trick before I go. One more test. This is a stuff sack. They don't come with a stuff sack. Probably the reason they don't sell you a compression pack with this is it probably wears the reflective foil, but should you need to pack down for a climbing trip or a cycling trip or something, we'll compact down into that, but compress that down, put a compression strap around it, and fit inside your shoe. There you go. One more thing. If you're going to buy a fully reflective cycling jacket, I would still say get this instead of buying the ones off Amazon or the ones out of Mountain Warehouse. This is pretty good. If you sign up to Proviz, there's a 20% off discount. Go there and buy it. That'll do. I think that's pretty much all I've got to say on the matter. I hope this was entertaining, useful, and saves you some pennies and saves you buying the wrong jacket. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Talk to me underneath. Tell me stuff. Tell me what jacket is good. Tell me if something's better than this. If you want to send me something to test out, please do so. And if you're not already and you want to come back and see another bike related around London video, or some other kind of in London being creative sort of thing, you should hit subscribe and come back each week for something new and interesting and different and varied. And until then, that's me, and I'm going to go make a cup of tea. Right, see you later. Bye. Oh, wait, I will get you out in a minute. Let me dry you off first. Hey, no! Get off! Just wash. Move, move, move. Get off. Oh, move. Just tighten this up so you can... You're in a meeting to move. Get off. Get off. No! Stop trying to keep looking up and get to the duvet. I know what you're doing. Oh, for God's sake.